Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the civil engineer who are working in the construction projects. In this channel, I will provide information, knowledge, and the strategies which is required to get success in the construction industry. In today's topics, I will discuss in very essential and the primary thing of a construction project, that is quality management system. What is quality management system, how to plan quality management system, and how to implement in the project to get the desired outcome. I will discuss in details. So stay tuned until the end to get all the information about the quality management system. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, a civil engineer and a project management and quality control professionals. I have more than 20 years of experience in India and the international level in a various construction projects. So let's jump into the subject. Let me open my mind map. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the immediate notification. So let's start with what is quality management systems. What is the definition of quality management system? The quality management system is a systematic approach to ensuring that all aspects of construction projects meet or exceed predetermined quality standard, which means every project is unique and every project has a quality standard or the set of standard. Every client has their own standard that they need to verify or they need to meet this quality standard. The quality management system is ensuring that standard, that if this process we follow at the project, then the product or the services, whatever we delivered, that will meet the client or the customer requirement. So these are the definition of quality management system. The next thing is, what is the key concept of quality management system? That is introducing to plan, do, check, act cycle as a fundamental concept of quality management. It provides a continuous improvement framework for construction projects. This plan, do, check, act is a fundamental things of ISO 9001, which is a quality management system requirement. So every quality management professional should follow this ISO 9001 to implement the quality management system at the project or any product or services. This plan, do, check, act invented by the quality guru William Deming. The plan, do, check, act. What does it mean? That means we need to plan what we will do to deliver the product or the services. Then we need to do what we plan to deliver the project. And then we have to check that whether whatever we plan or whatever we executing, these are matching, or there is any deviation or any redefine of process is required to minimize the defect or eliminate the error in the process. And then again act or redefine the process. So plan, do, check, act to be in place in the quality management system. By infographic, it is like that. Plan, do, check, act. Here is the input, the requirement, what is the customer or the client requirement. As per that, we need to plan, then define, prepare the document of the plan, then do whatever you would do or execution, then check, measure or compare whatever we are following or the not, then act, evaluate, correct, or if there is any deviation, then act and again redefine the plan. So it's the continuous improvement plan. Plan, do, check, act, and these are the output with the satisfaction of the client or the consultant or the customer. So this plan, do, check, act to be followed at the site or in the quality management system. Quality management system to ensuring the customer requirement. So these are the key concept of quality management system. The next is, why quality management? Quality management helps identify potential issues, prevent costly mistakes, and maintain consistency throughout the project life cycle. So all we know that we have to deliver a product or a service. In any industry, these are the end product, either a product or a service. Now, the end product is someone is there to receive the product or receive the service. So what is the motto? To that person or that the company should be happy to get that product or services. So this quality management system is ensuring that if we follow these systems, the product will be delivered as per the client or the customer requirement. So this is the identified potential issues. So this process will help to find out the error, find out the defects, and eliminate how to defect or how to eliminate the defects in the process to get the work done or get the product to be delivered. So these are the quality management why is required in a company or any project. The next is benefits. What is the benefits of quality management system? The quality management system, we said, adherence to standard and the regulation. All we know that quality management system, as we discussed, that the set standard and the regulation is followed and is delivered as per that requirement. Then improve project efficiency. Quality management systems involving everyone in the process in a common goal, so that the project efficiency will be increased and the product will be delivered as per the requirement. Increase client satisfaction. Any business, these are the end result, that client to be satisfied, to get more business from the client. The quality management system has that benefit. Quality management system is ensuring client satisfaction and then enhanced reputation. Whenever client is happy, then their reputation will be gained. So this quality management system is enhancing the reputation of the organization. These are the benefit of the quality management system. Now let's see what is the key element of the quality management system. The key element of the quality management system is the first thing, purpose. You have already discussed. Then system, process, product, application, and the human resource. These are the key element we need to incorporate in the quality management system to deliver or the meet the customer requirement. Now, what is the purpose? Purpose is to meet the customer requirement. Already we discussed that these are the primary and the final focus to meet the customer requirement. And then system. System should be procedures, audit, and management review. So what is the procedure? How, excuse me, how I deliver the product. And this the procedure to be followed at during the execution. And whenever this process will follow, we need the checkpoint. How will checkpoint? That the audit will be there. There will be the checkpoint, then the procedure is following or not. And as per the audit or the checkpoint, the procedure will be redefined and the management review. And the audit will become, and the audit point will come, then management will be review, and then again the process will be redefined. So the system is procedure, audit, and the management reviews. Then the process. Process is basically validation, work instruction, setup verification, and the process inspection. What is the validation? The process, what process I will follow at the project. That project should be, the process should be documented and placed to the client or the consultant or the management, higher management, that these are the procedure we need to follow. Then it should be validated either from the higher management or from the client or consultant, that if we follow this procedure, then the quality will be ensured or the end product will be ensured as per the client requirement. So first thing is the process validation. The next is work instruction. Now how I will do the work instruction? What will be my work instruction? What will be my checkpoint? How I will deliver the product? How I will implement or how will engage manpower? How will engage my material? That's work instruction to be followed at the site, will be mentioned in the quality management system plan. Then setup verification. What will be my set verification point? How I will check? Suppose you are doing the concreting, so there will be verification point. You are doing the plaster at the construction, you have the verification point. In that also, in the process, you need to verify the what is my verification point, and if I manage or if I target this verification point, then my product will be ensured as per the requirement. So the verification will be very much essential. So you need to first thing set up the verification and you have to check. Then the process inspection, you validate your process, you have given the work instruction and you have set the verification. Now you have to inspect whether this process is verified, what process is followed, or the setup verification or the standard is followed or not. That you need to check in the process inspection. And there are three types of inspection. There is a pre-process inspection, in-process inspection, and the post-process inspection. What is pre-process inspection? Before starting of any activities or the process, you need to check everything, whether the material is in place, whether the workman is placed, whether the workmen are well educated or not, or the work procedure is there or not, or the previous or the activity is finished or not, or the work area is safe or not, or authority requirement is fulfilled or not. That all everything will be checked in the pre-process inspection to start the process. Then in process inspection. What is in process inspection? In process inspection is when during the process you need to check. We set the verification, we set the standard. When in process, we need to verify that the set standard is followed or not. And then come to post-process inspection. After the process finished or the product has delivered, product has come out, now we have to check whether the product is delivered as per the requirement or not. Again, the set of verification, the post-process inspection, we need to check. If not, then again, we have to redefine or rectify the process or the product. These are the process of the quality management system. The next is product. See, what is the product verification? That is again validation, the material test, pre-dispatch inspection, and final handing over. Now, product is the ultimate handover we have to deliver. So what is the validation? What product, what we will deliver, that everything will be there and it should be validated from the higher management or from the client. Then material test. Every product we need the material. So what will be the material test and when the material test will be done? What is the set point that we need to set, and we need to check regularly or the frequency mentioned in the process. And then pre-dispatch inspection. After the final product, we have done the pre-process inspection, everything. Now pre-dispatch inspection after final handing, before final handing over, you need to check as per your standard, everything is there or not. Tick, 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 tick. And if it is okay, then final handing over. So these are the product, the validation, material test, pre-dispatch inspection, and final handing over. Then application. What is the application of the specification, warranty agreement, and factor of safety or the tolerance? These things, what the specification is mentioned or the code is mentioned, we need to follow. And what is the warranty agreement? Suppose 5 years, 10 years, or whatever the warranty agreement is mentioned, that we need to follow. And whatever the factor of safety or the tolerance. In every project, on every product or service, there must minimum the factor of safety or tolerance will be there. So we need to ensure that our product or service within the factor of safety or the tolerance. So if it is verified that our application of the quality management system is verified. Then human resource. Why? Because without human, no plan is to be fulfilled. Also, quality management system also need to fulfill by the people. So human resource also is a key component of the quality management system. Well, first things, what need to do? The value system. What is the value system of the company that need to distribute and educated to all the people are involved in the process, so they will know what the value or what the product they have to deliver, so that they will be work in a single goal. Then what is the career path? Because see, everyone is working to a ladder to go up. So in the company, it should be mentioned the career path, so that if we follow this one, they will be step by step, they will gain the success. So if the career path is defined, the people will be get motivated and people will deliver the product, or they will engage themselves into the process. Then training is required in everywhere, wherever is the new activity, or the new employee is joining, or the new people is coming, or on the regular interval, so that everyone should know what is the process and what to do in the site, so that everyone is working in the common goal and the quality will be ensured and the product or services will be ensured. And then empowerment. You need to empower your people who are working in the site or who are working in the organization, so that they will get motivated and they will work toward the common goal or giving the customer satisfaction. So these are the key element of the quality management systems. The next is document control system. In the quality management system, the document control is very much important. If we cannot document, we cannot ensure the quality. So first thing, after process, product, human resource, everything, we need to document it, each and everything, so that whenever it's any difficulties coming, we can take it and we can find out the solution. The document control system should be document control procedure, how the document will be flow throughout the process, and who should be marked and who should not be marked. This should be document control procedure, and how the document will be kept, how the record will be kept, that will be mentioned in the document control procedure. And the distribution matrix, how the document will be distributed throughout the people from the top to bottom, that will be the document distribution matrix that will be followed in the side, that should be mentioned in the quality management system. Then document and record control, how we will control the document, how will suppose I'm giving an example. See, consultant given the drawing, GFC drawing, and it has circulated to site for the work. Now again consultant has given the revision drawing. Now we have to follow the revision drawing, not the superseded drawing. Now how we'll distribute the revised drawing, and how we'll collect the old drawing, that should be also mentioned in the document control system. So how do you keep the document control and the distribution matrix and the document control procedure, that should be in the document control system. The next is quality training. As I mentioned earlier, the quality training is very much essential, because everyone should work in a common goal. In the construction, we know there are a lot of people coming and a lot of people are going. The new worker is coming, and the subcontractor is coming, supplier is coming, and the other people also coming. So you need to train all people regularly, so that everyone work as a common goal, and they are all known about the quality procedure and the quality systems of the project, so that they work as in align with the quality requirement. So how you can ensure the quality training? The quality induction and the work training. So whenever a new people or the new worker is coming, you give the quality induction to them, and whenever the work is activity starting, the work training, and the frequently, maybe in 1 week or 2 week, you should to give the work training to the people, so that from top to bottom should know what is their goal and what is their roles and responsibility in the process, so that they can deliver the project or the services as per the client or the consultant requirement. This is the quality training. The next is quality audit. As we mentioned earlier, that quality audit is a management review. So to find out the difficulties or find out the fault in the process, or find out that the process is following or not. This is the purpose of the audit. That can be internal audit or the external audit. Now, from the audit finding, management will be review, and the process can be redefined on the or refined, so that the product can be delivered. If they're finding any difficulties, or if they're finding any error in the process, so that should be redefined and the error will be minimized. So these are the function of the quality management system's quality audit. Next is legal compliance. So every project has the legal compliance. The authority is there. So authority compliance must be adherence in the quality management system. In the management system, it should be mentioned how the legal compliances or the authority requirement to be fulfilled, to be mentioned in the quality management system separately, so that client or consultant also will know that legal compliance or the authority requirement will be fulfilled if this process will be followed at the site or the project execution. The next part is continual improvement. These are the main fundamental things of the quality management systems. No process is 100% correct or 100% true. So, or the people who are working there will be an error. So why this continual improvement philosophy is arise? So whatever the defect or whatever the problem we are facing, that should be redefined or that should be re-implemented in the process, so that process can be refined or redefined, so that the error can be minimized. So this plan to check act is the continual improvement theory should be mentioned in the quality management system, so that the possibility of continual improvement is there, and the product will be delivered as per the requirement or the client satisfaction. So these are all about the quality management system in the construction. Hope you find it useful, and if you want to know more about this, kindly give your valuable comments in the comment section so that I can come with the more valuable content such like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. And again, if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video will come in, you will get the immediate notification. Thank you. Thank you very much.